Bonjour, mes amis. I'm going to show you how to complete the screen recording of this project. So you can use any screen recorder that you are familiar with, but if you don't know one, I'm going to show you this one. So right here is one that's free called Screencastify. And if you look at it, mine is already installed, so you're going to see already installed. But if you go to screencastify.com, it's going to ask you to install it for free. It's really easy. Then they're going to ask you to put it in your Chrome extension up here, which you'll do, but you're also going to make sure that you have a Google account, like a Gmail account, because it's going to ask you to sign into your Google Drive because it saves everything there, and that's nice and easy for you to post a link that's simple. So if you haven't done that, you want to do that first. So create your free Google account and write it down, please, so we don't forget the password and all that stuff. Keep that for yourself. So once you have Screencastify in here, what you're going to do is when you're ready to record with it, you open it up, you click it, and then you're going to see here some different options. You're going to see, for example, just to record your desktop. Do you want to have your little picture in the corner like I did for mine? I recommend that. I think that's great and fun. We get to see you when you record, but you don't have to. And then you also have this thing called Show More Options, where you can change, like, do you want 5 seconds before it starts recording or 10 seconds to gear up? And then right here you have show, what does it say? Show drawing tools. I used that in mine. So when you look at mine, you'll see I'm circling on my locker different things. I used the drawing tools so that way when I spoke about a particular photo, I was circling it, and then that helps you focus your attention. So I think that's a great idea too, to do that. And then when you're ready, you just press record, and then it'll start recording. It's really, really easy. So if I were going to do that, for example, on, that's where that'll be the last step. But if I'm going to go to this page right here where I'm just kind of teaching you, and I wanted to record on this screen, I could press Screencastify. I'm not going to embed the webcam because I'm already using it in a different program to record this for you, but I will make sure I have the drawing tools done. Yep. And then I press record. It's going to ask if I want to do my whole screen or just a window. I'm just going to keep it my whole screen. That's fine. Share. Now I'm going to present. Hit present so it's nice and big. There we go. Now I can start talking in French about my virtual locker and do the directions, read my script, whatever I want to do. And then if I need to pause, I believe there's a pause button on here too. So there's some drawing tools. Here's pause. If I want to continue, I can continue. The drawing tools are down there, so I can draw, as you see, something on here and underline, so that's great. So when I'm finished, I press pause and then stop. I'm stopping it. And what it's going to do is take you here, and it's going to, you see it's processing it down at the bottom. And you can't record more than 5 minutes. I know none of you are going to speak more than 5 minutes anyway. But when it is finished, you're going to do the copy shareable link, and you're going to get a link now that you're going to be able to post on the Padlet. And then once you post it on the Padlet, you will be done. So let me walk you through that real quick. So here I'm doing copy shareable link. So I'm copying it, and then you'll see the next step is going to be step 3, put it in the Padlet. So here's going to be the Padlet. I don't know, can I get that button behind my little webcam? There we go. So here I'm just going to write sample. I'm going to remove this. And then here I'm going to, on the link, paste in the link to that video I just did. And then hopefully, fingers crossed, it pops up just fine. And that is what I just recorded for you. Here's my sample for Mon Casier Virtuel, but here's what I just recorded. So that is going to be the third step of posting what you have done. Hope that helps.